Welcome to a day at the vet where curiosity quickly turns into dramatic protests and endless negotiations with the doctor. Let's see what these four-legged patients will do to get out of today's checkup. Someone is very proud of their teeth, but this might be the wrong occasion.
Are you okay? Yeah, sometimes it'd be like that.
He's not afraid to let the vet know exactly how he feels. A very honest patient, wouldn't you say?
I don't think Bella wants to go to the vet. She really doesn't want to go to the vet.
Opinions about his spa visit. Take notes, human.
Come here. Oh, just here, thank you. Oh.
This boy seems convinced that if he falls asleep, the appointment will magically disappear.
She just got her shots, and she's all mad, waiting on the vet to come back and give us our medicine, and she is being so dramatic right now.
If a husky isn't being dramatic, nobody will take them seriously.
Oh my gosh, really? Really? I feel very...
When the dog forgets, he's the patient and decides to become the prime suspect instead.
Now these shots are good for 1 year, and next year when we do boosters, they'll be good for 3 years. What? What'd you say?
He's repeating positive affirmations in his head. This boy just remembered he has a very important appointment elsewhere.
Este perrito es un poquito fastidioso, mire, agarra bien.
He looks so. What is that, Boogie? It's okay. It's okay, Salem. Good boy.
The dog's face looked like it was screaming, "This isn't the service I booked."
So I think that maybe he scratched himself playing with the dogs. I didn't see it, but maybe.
Come here. I still see you. Come here.
Nope.
Come here.
This is bullshit.
What is it?
This is.
Huh?
He's regretting every life decision that led him to this moment.
What are you doing?
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Come here. Sandy, come here.
Trust me, I'm fine. Can we wrap this up now?
What's wrong with her, Brutus? Brutus is like, I'll do anything for cheese. What's her problem?
Bro forgot this was a medical appointment and turned it into a reunion.
Good girl. Oh my goodness. When the vet teaches your dogs tricks. Good girl.
That's it? No more? You're done? We're good?
The outcome may not be ideal, but the effort deserves recognition.
Oh, buddy, it's okay.
Look, Prince. Prince, mommy here. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness, I love you so much. Yes, I do. Oh my goodness. I love you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
The fighting spirit started strong, but it's fading fast.
Max. Max. Maximus. Maximus.
We gotta stay warm. It's cold outside. I need to feel good. Chill.
All right, not bad, Doc. Consider this little love bite my way of saying thanks.
What a good boy.
another chance. 3 vaccines and blood work on top of that?
If I'm cute enough, maybe this will be over sooner.
I have never seen him this high before in my life. Look at him. Indigo, come on. Wake up. Indigo, come on.
It's okay. You want to get out of here? Let's just get out of here. Come on, let's go.
At home, he acts like he owns the place. At the vet, he's just a shy little puppy.
I get your baby.
Wow, bravo ma fifi. Oh lolo. Oh oui, voilà. C'est fini, on contrôle la puce. Bien.
A kiss can't cancel the appointment, but it can give him a little extra courage to face it. On a difficult day like this, the table has become his best friend.
Betty, are you ready for your totally normal scoop of peanut butter? Nothing wrong with your 1 scoop of peanut butter.
Open. All right, shut. No.
At the vet clinic, both the strength and intelligence of pets seem to double.
All right. Oh my God. They gave him a shot of Dilaudid.
When standing in front of the needle, all bravery suddenly disappears without a trace.
옥지야, 괜찮아.
Yo, guarda, ¿qué le pasa a don Pancho?
Someone just added a new chapter to his tragic memoir.
Now, these shots are good for 1 year, and next year when we do boosters, they'll be good for 3 years.
Okay.
What?
ใช่ค่ะ ข้างในร้านนะคะเดี๋ยวถ้าอยู่ยังไงก็อยู่ห้องนี้ก่อนก็ได้ค่ะนิดเดียว
ยังลูกยังไม่
แม่
ฉี
คุย
ด
แม่
เล
คุย
ย
แม่คุยก่อนแม่คุยไม่มีอะไรนิดเดียว
เดี๋ยวเสร็จแล้วชอบเสร็จแล้ว
Honestly, this might be the best psychological therapy ever.
24 kilos. You ain't chunky, Mom.
Your big pump belly.
Thanks for watching our video all the way through. We hope it brought you some relaxation and joy. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified whenever we post something new. See you in the next one.